What's going on, everybody? You might have to turn up your volume. I have been sick and lost my voice, so I know I sound really weird right now. I actually thought about waiting to make these videos, but you guys who have actually really followed the channel know that I'm a card crackhead, so it's really hard for me to sit on unopened boxes for a while. So I'm going to just go ahead and go through with this. I'm sorry if I sound absolutely terrible. So what I can do is try to make it quick as possible. First thing I'm going to open today is 2 blaster boxes of Elite Extra Edition. This is 2018. As far as I know, Panini's never put this out, Elite Extra Edition, in the form of blaster boxes. I mean, I could be wrong. Comment below and let me know if I am. But I don't, since I started getting back into collecting hardcore these last few years, I don't recall seeing this product as a blaster box. These only have 5 cards per box, but the hobby boxes only have, 11, I think? And you get 2 autographs or mem cards in each box. So 5 cards, 2 hits. And yeah, let's see what we get. I guess we'll probably get excuse me. I'm guessing the 2 hits, probably 2 numbered base cards, because the base set's numbered to $9.99. And then probably 1 numbered parallel. That's my guess. Let's see if I'm correct here. Oh wow, all this box for 1 little pack. Honestly, you could have just sold this 1 little pack on the rack. Although I guess I'm glad it's in a box for protection, because I hate buying rack packs. They're always look so beat up, and like you never know how many people have had their hands on them. Takes too much risk of damage. Alright. Let me fix my... got issues here with my camera. There we go. Alright, pack number 1. So there is 1 numbered base card, Griffin Roberts, and a 2nd Lindsey Delgado, kind of what I expected. Oh sweet, Kevin Mighton, dual relic, numbered to $3.99. Jose Pena autograph, sticker auto, not numbered. And Jose Garcia. What is this? Some kind of parallel. I'm trying to read it. Oh, Elite, it says. Elite. Elite what? Huh, I can't read it. It's just like it says Elite over and over and over again. Maybe it's a parallel that's exclusive to the blaster box, maybe? Alright, pack number 2. Junior San Quentin base card. Kevin Alcantara red die cut to $99. Taylor Trammell dual relic to $149. So it's a parallel version. Ford Proctor sticker auto. And another one of those parallels, Jake Irwin. So not bad. I mean, obviously a super fast break for your money. If you really want to open some cards, this is not going to be your best option, but you do get a couple of hits, so, you know, kind of tough to beat that as far as blaster boxes go. Alright guys, I want to take this crazy voice and get on out of here. Hope everybody's having a great day, and I'll be back soon.